His class and his teaching and the things he had us read and think about, well, he got me grounded intellectually so that I believed that Christ really did rise from the dead, that we could trust that account, and that the Bible was truthful. He was a very charismatic, impressive man in his own right. So, and you noticed it tonight, when he speaks, we listen, because he's going to say something substantive. Like everybody else said, he's really a good professor. Well, I remember Mere Christianity and how that who C.S. Lewis was doing his British BBC series on how he came to faith out of atheism. And I remember the chapter where he talks about the universal sense of oughtness. I just came away, there is a rationale for faith in the Bible, for faith in God, for faith in Christ. There's a rationale for it. It's not just all something that you parents pass on to you and you just believe it unquestioningly. There is a reason for the faith that we have. My religion had been that I did not dance in a culture that was dancing all the time at school. And so to be a Christian meant I did not dance, I did not play cards, I did not drink or smoke or chew or run around with those who do. And so my Christianity was very legalistic, and I did not have love for people who didn't love me. And I felt God really gave me a sense, it was an empowering thing to come to faith and have God touch me. He touched me, and now I am no longer the same. Oh yes, I'm looking forward to this book that I hear Stan Williams is going to make. Yes, on Stan Walters's teachings. I think that will be rich.